Hello, sweet friends. Welcome back for another quick review of your day 2, packet 6. It seems like a long time. We haven't been in school. So I'll try to make this quick since the last one was kind of long, but hopefully you're doing well. Remember, if you're not here this far into your work yet, that's okay. Don't stress. I'm just trying to put this out here in case people have questions. You can always reach out to me directly also, and I'll be happy to help you. But this just gives you a little rundown. So, yesterday we talked about our everyday activities. So, just really fast, you still have your IP word family book that you're working on. You have letters that I hope you're working on and maybe mailing some of them at this point. Your daily journal, if you're ready for that. We're still working on conservation, ecology, reduce, reuse, recycle. So today you have a reading assignment. It may be a book, it may be a story about a plant. Things like that. So work through your reading. Make sure you're reading every single day. Pretty, please. Okay. If nothing else, please do that. Okay. Besides all that stuff in your reading assignment, you have a little booklet. Look, it says day 2. You're trying to figure out the vowel that is missing. These are CVC words: consonant, vowel, consonant. So you have A and I. So is it a B, ag, or a B, ig? What does the picture show you? A bag. So you would color in the A or circle it or write the A in the word, however you want to do it. Sorry, it's a little floppy there. So we have bag, bib, zip, rat, pen, and van are your words at the bottom of that one. Turn the page. It says color the 2 flowers that have the same sum. Sum is the answer when you add. So you're going to have to check. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. Oh, this one's 3 and this one's 3. So I'm going to color those 2 flowers in this box. Okay, so you're looking for the 2 flowers that have the same answer. Down here, you have cup, bus, hog. Oh, that's a tricky one. Sun, lock, and box. So you're looking again, is it a, o, or a, u? Which vowel is it? And then you fill it in. Okay, turn the page, and you're doing the same thing, but this time you have some different flowers. Instead of tulips, they look like daisies or sunflowers. You're coloring the 2 in each part that have the same answer. And down here it says, what do they see? You have a cat, a guinea pig, and a dog, and they're looking at something. So your job is to write what you think they are looking at. What do they see? Okay, so you have that. Then over here, you have a review of ag, A-G, and UG, U-G. You will need a blue and green crayon for this. Your job is to color the raindrops first. Blue is ag, so you're looking for ag, like bag, wag, flag, those types of words. And then green is going to be ugh, rug, bug, mug, hug. And then you write them next to the word. So we have bag, the arrow is pointing to the dog's tail. Wag, tag, flag. These are all your ag words. Bug, rug, hug, and mug. Those are your ugh words. Okay? Then you have another editing sheet. I bet you can look at this and already tell me at least one problem. This one has 2 mistakes. See if you can find them. I take a cab. A cab is like a taxi. Or it is a taxi, not like a taxi. It's a taxi. So someone that will pick you up and bring you somewhere, and then you pay them money for taking you. Make your X's for your corrections. Rewrite the sentence correctly, and then draw a picture. Okay? Then you've got a little bit of a recycling graph today. We talked yesterday about recycling and maybe doing a at-home recycling sort of things. So on the front of this one, there are some trash cans that have some recycling in them. So we have cans, we have boxes or cardboard, paper. This says plastic, and this is glass. So your job is to graph. So you find the bottles, count the bottles in the can, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So you will graph each item, and then there are some questions over here for you to answer. If you flip it over, this says Earthwise ways. So your job is to X the pictures that are not good for our Earth. Okay, and then you color the pictures that are. So is throwing trash on the ground good for our planet or bad for our planet? Bad, so you would put an X. Now look, she's putting paper in the recycle box. That's a good thing, right? Planting trees. Uh-oh, look, he's running the water while he's brushing his teeth. Is he using that water? No, so that is not good for our planet, right? We want to, while we're brushing, we want to make sure the water is off. We only want it on when we actually need to use it. Ooh, riding a bicycle instead of taking the car. That's a good choice for our planet. Look, she's reusing a can, a soup can. She's washed it out and she's putting a plant in there. She turned it into like a little pot. That's very good. Instead of throwing it in the trash can, she's finding another use for it. Picking up trash. Ooh, look at this car. Look at all that yucky smell coming off the back. Not very good for our planet, right? And here they set up like a recycle club so they can talk about different things that they can use. STEM at school, a lot of times when you make different projects with Miss Bailey, you are using things that were once used as something else, right? You're reusing stuff instead of just throwing it away, like toilet paper rolls, ribbon, all kinds of different containers, boxes. Even in our classroom, do you remember when we built all the things out of those big cardboard boxes? We had so much fun. We gave them another life. We gave them something else to do. Not just hold things, but we decorated them. We cut out windows and doors, and you crawled in them, and you made them into all kinds of different things. So that is a reuse of something. Okay, so there are 3 R's. Reduce, which means use less. Turn that water off. Only take what you need. You don't have to drive all over town. Go straight to the store and straight home. So reduce, use less. Reuse, find another use for something, like the can for the flower pot, or boxes, turn it into a spaceship, right? And then obviously recycle. Take it, break it down, and turn it into something brand new that other people can use. Okay? All right, so that is your ecology paper for today. And then here we have a review of, teen numbers. So you have 10 carrots in the basket and a few carrots outside the basket. So you would say 10 and 2 is 12. Now here we have some peas. We have 10 in the basket and we have some peas out of the basket. So you write the 10 that are in, how many are out, and what is the teen number. Okay? Going along with teen numbers, we have a pepperoni paper that's also teen numbers. It tells you how many pepperonis there should be. 14. There are none right now. Now this is our 10 frame, right? So you would draw 10 here. How many are you going to draw off the 10 frame on the actual pizza? 4 more, because 10 and 4 is 14, right? So for 12, you would draw 10 here and 2 off. Okay, you have 17 and 16, so this should not be too difficult, hopefully. You have a math sheet that has a story at the top, and you're to solve it a couple of ways. You can draw the story. You use the number line. Remember, you go forward to a bigger number if we're adding. We go backward to a smaller number if we are subtracting. You write the number sentence, and then you write the answer. And the story says, Dot can see 5 big ducks. She can see 5 little ducks. How many ducks can Dot see in all? So you would draw 5 big ducks and 5 little ducks, right? Are we getting more ducks or less ducks? She sees more ducks, right? She sees 5, then she turns and sees 5 more. So down here, you would start at 5 and go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I landed on 10. So down here, I would write 5 plus 5 equals 10. Dot saw 10 ducks in all. Okay, and then there's a quick subtraction sheet here. You're welcome to use your fingers. You can use buttons, beans, whatever you want to use. Some of you can just do it in your brain. You can cut apart these carrots if you want and use them. If you don't have anything else to use or you don't want to use your fingers to solve the subtraction problem. So this is taking away. Remember, always look at that symbol. So like the first one says 7, take away 4 is 3. The answer would be 3. Then we have 6. Take away 4 is 2. The answer would be 2. So we're getting smaller. All right, so those are your activities for the second day in packet number 6. It's hard to keep up with all these things, isn't it? So we will go over number 3 tomorrow, but it's a lot similar to today. There are a few different things. Obviously, your ecology activity is going to be a little bit different. Oh, I know what I was going to say. So I posted another Dash McTrash video on YouTube this morning. I noticed only 2 people watched it yesterday. So if you get a chance, please watch it. I know it's not great, and at school, it's just so much better when you're in person. But it's a really, really great story. So please, if you have time, give it a watch. I'll be posting another one Wednesday, one on Thursday, and then there's a short little one at the end on Friday. Miss Kitts worked really hard recording that for all of us, so thank you, Miss Kitts, if you happen to see this. All right, friends, I hope you have a great day. Hopefully more sun will come out soon, and I will talk to you all later. All right, miss you. Bye.